Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix lag on your DoorDash app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your DoorDash app. So all you have to do, so just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you in this list, and all you have to do now, so you just go down and you click here on apps, then it's going to take you to apps list here. Then you just go down here to looking for DoorDash app. You click here on DoorDash app here, and it's going to take you to next step here. Then you just click here on first stop and you click here on OK here. So then you just go down here, you click here on storage and you come to storage window here. You just click here on clear cache here. So then all you have to do now, so you just go to your Play Store. You will click here on Play Store and you search for DoorDash here. It's going to show for you like this, and you will find here updates. You just click here on updates, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.